Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to make a beautiful patch with these leftover yarn. I will use these 4 leftover yarn and 5mm crochet hook. This is a steel crochet hook equal to 2mm in size. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, you would start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 and make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now we are going to work into this ring of chain. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Onto this ring of chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is double crochet stitch second. Now make double crochet 3 into the ring, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. In this way, make 20 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. So I have made 20 double crochet stitches. Make a slip stitch into the third chain with this peach color yarn now. For the second round, I am changing the color. We have to make 2 corners for the second round. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here. And we are going to make our first corner here. So make chain 1 and then chain 2 and into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make a double crochet. Now this is our first corner. Make chain 1 and a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Chain 1, a double crochet stitch into the next one, chain 1, double crochet into the next one. We will make double crochet chain 1 pattern 8 times. Now cut this yarn and this starting yarn as well, which we have woven inside our stitches already, and make a knot of these 2 yarn strands. Now I have made 8 double crochet and chain 1 stitches, and here we are going to make our next corner stitch. So into the 9th one, make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the next stitch to make our corner. So this is our corner stitch pattern. Now we have 8 stitches left. Make chain 1 and double crochet in each of these next 8 stitches till the end. So I have made all double crochet stitches. In the end, make a slip stitch and this is our first chain here. Count 3 chains and we have 2 chains left at the top for the corner. Make a slip stitch into this third chain and we are going to change the color again. Now I am using a yellow color yarn. So in this chain 2 space, make a slip stitch with this yellow color yarn and we are going to start our third round. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Then a double crochet into the chain 2 space, chain 1, chain 2, into the same chain 2 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, this is the pattern for our corner. Now into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 2, make a double crochet, then into the chain 1 space, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the chain 1 space, double crochet, then a double crochet stitch into the next double crochet. So in this way we will make double crochet in every chain 1 and double crochet stitch. Weave these yarn ends with the help of needle as well, and we will start working into the chain 2 space of corner after all stitches are completed. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space, and then into the next double crochet stitch. After chain 2 space, start making double crochets, and we are going to make double crochet in every chain 1 space and double crochet till the end. Now this third round stitches are completed, and we are going to make our final round. For the final round, change the color again and make a slip stitch with this change color of yarn. Make chain 1, and now cut the yellow color yarn and make a knot of these 2 yarn strands, and we are going to weave these 2 yarn strands inside our single crochet stitches which we will make for the last round. So make a single crochet into this same chain 3, then a single crochet into the very next double crochet stitch, and we have chain 2 space here. In this chain 2 space, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2, and now we are going to make chain picot, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make a slip stitch into the first chain. This is called chain picot, and then we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches into the same space, single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Now make a single crochet into the very next single crochet stitch after chain 2 space, and in this way we are going to make single crochets in every double crochet stitch. So repeat this process till the next chain 2 space corner. Here we have next chain 2 space for our corner. Make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into it, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make a slip stitch, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, then a single crochet into the chain 2 space, single crochet 2 into the chain 2 space, and complete other single crochet stitches on remaining stitches. In the end, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch here, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and now I will show you how to weave the yarn end as well. So with the help of needle, weave the yarn end. So this is the final product. Hope you guys like it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this design and use it in different crochet projects. Thank you for watching. Take care.